Hello guys, this is Sonny Boy Tutorial and today we'll be solving past paper. This is 2018 BECE past paper. So it is important for your daughter or son that will be taking the BECE this coming exams, okay? So the first question here, they said find the highest common factor for 24, 36 and 48. So let's go. Twenty-four, 36, 48. So we take 2 into 24 is 12. We take 2 into 12 is 6. We take 2 into 6 is 3. So now we take a different color. So we take 2 into 36 is 18. We take 2 into 18 is 9. We take 3 into 9 is 3. We take 3 into 3 is 1. Here also we take 2 into 48 is 24. We take 2, so this is 12. We take 2, so 1 is 6. We take 2, 3, so we take 3 is 1. So now we are going to look out for the common ones. So we have 2 here, we have 2 here, we also have 2 here, so we take that 2. We also have 2 here, and we have 2 here, and we have 2 here, so they are also common, so multiply that like this. We have 2 here, but we don't have 2 here. We have 2 here, so it's not common because it's not found here. It's not found here, so we don't take that. We have 3 here, we have 3 here, then we also have 3 here, so that one also is common. So multiply that by 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and that is equals to 12. So the correct option for this question is C. Question 2. Find the sum of the non-prime numbers between 2 and 11. So to solve this problem, we need to write all the numbers 2 to 11. So we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now we pick out those that are non-prime numbers. Mind you, you know that prime numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by any other number except 1 and the number itself. So if we found numbers that can be divided by other numbers, then that is not a prime number. So when they say between 2 and 11, it means the numbers between 2 and 11. So here we are going to find those that are non-prime numbers and add them up, because they say the sum of the non-prime numbers. So therefore, this plus this plus this plus this and plus this. So these are the non-prime numbers. 9 is not a prime number because 9 can be divided by other number like 3. 3 can go into 9 without a remainder. So we add this 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So definitely this one will give us 37. So the correct option for this is B, 37. So now we are going to look at question 3. That is this one. What is 12.5% of 48,000? Whenever you are given a number in percentage, for example 1%, this is equals to 1 over 100 of mean times. Okay, so now 12.5% mean 12 over 100 of times, and then 48,000. Definitely these zeros cancel, 2 zeros here. So now change the mixed fraction, this one, to improper fraction by multiplying 2 times 12 and add 1, which will give us 25 over 2 multiplied by 480. So 2 here is 1 times 2 into 48 is 24, and then the 0. So if you multiply 25 multiplied by 24, 0, this one will definitely give us 6,000 leon. So the correct option to this question is A. Question 4. The price of an article which cost 17,000 is reduced by 4%. What is the new cost of the article? This simply means that the cost is reduced 4% of the original price, with 17,000 leon. So 4% here, 4 over 100 of 17,000. So now this cancels this 2, these 2 zeros. So now 4 multiplied by 0 here, this one gives us a 0. 4 times 7, 28, write the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 we carried, that gives us 68 leon. So 4% of the money is 680 leon. This is not the final answer. So our final answer will now be the original price minus 680 leon. So the original price was 17,000. Take away 680 leons. So 0 minus 0 is to give you 0. 0 minus 8, you cannot. You have to borrow 1 here and add to this. 1 goes 10. And then take 1 there and add it to 0. So 10 minus 8 gives us 2. Here we have 9 left. 9 minus 6, and that gives us 3. So here we have 6. And then here we have 1. So this one will be in leons. So the new cost of the articles in leons will be... Question number 5. 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 5. This is an indices problem. So if you have forgotten your multiplication and division law of indices, so it is good that you visit your textbook to review. So the multiplication law states that when the same base are multiplied, so you take one of the base and add the powers. So for this, we are going to take one of the base here and add the power. For division, you just take one of the base and subtract the power. So we have all the bases here are the same. So we just have to take one of them. So our solution becomes 3 raised to power 4. Because here is multiplication, so we add the power. And here is division, so we subtract the power. So this becomes 3 raised to power 7 minus 5. So now we have 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. Correct option for this question is B. Question number 6. In bracket 4x to power 3y, in bracket close, all raised to power 2. This is also an indices problem. So a power outside the bracket multiplies the power inside the bracket. So you need to know that 4 have a power of 1 and y have a power of 1 that you don't see. So our solution becomes 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2, x raised to power 3 multiplied by 2, and then y raised to power 1 multiplied by 2. So this one becomes 4 raised to power 2, x raised to power 6, y raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 16. And then x to power 6 and y to power 2. So this becomes our answer. So the correct option to this question is D. Question number 7. A cyclist covers a distance of 42 kilometers in 3.5 hours. What is the average speed? So the distance covered, D, is equals to 42 kilometers. And the time, T, 3.5 hours. You can quickly spy to the answers by looking at the SI unit. Because as you look now, all the answers are in kilometer per hour. So definitely you need to know that the speed is equals to distance all over the time. Okay. So this one will be equals to 42 kilometer upon 3.1 over 2 hours. So now we are going to have S will be equals to 42 over convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction by multiplying 2 times 3 plus 1, and that gives us 7 over 2. in kilometer per hour. So definitely we are going to have 42 over 1 multiplied by 2, we go up 7. So this have to be in kilometer per hour. So 7 here is 1 times, 7 here is definitely 6 times. So 6 multiplied by 2, this one will be equal to 12 kilometer per hour. So our correct option for this question is D, 12 kilometer per hour. Question number 8. If 12 men can make 720 bricks in a day, how many bricks can 9 men make when working at the same rate? Well, solve this problem. So you need to know that 12 men work for 1 day makes a brick of 720. So you need to find for 1 man. So 1 man will work for 1 day and make a brick of, we don't know, that is give it X. So what you need to do is now you cross multiply. Then multiply this to this. So 12 times X, which is equals to 12X, will be equals to 1 times 720 is 720. So divide here by 12, here by 12. So our X will be equals to 60. So 1 man will make 60 brick in 1 day. But the question says, how many bricks can 9 men make working in the same rate? Therefore, 9 men can now make 9 multiplied by 60. So 9 men can make 540 bricks. So the correct option for this question is D.